This large, flowy, and gorgeously purple-hued orchid exudes a beautiful and lovely fragrance. Our collection of Therapeutic Orchid scent aims to provide you with a calming and soothing comfort by boosting positive feelings and obviating negative thoughts. Their existing medicinal properties are believed to help improve one's health condition. In Yunnan, this therapeutic orchid is used as an herbal remedy to treat damaged tissues from traumatic injuries and fractures, while in India, seeds extracted from this orchid are applied on cuts and injuries as a hemostatic. Its interesting combination of colors and unique appearance are just some of this therapeutic orchid's attributes that we love. Traditionally consumed as decoction, it is used to remove heat and toxins and can also be used to treat pneumonia, measles, and neurosis. It is believed to benefit the brain and has the ability to calm nerves. There are many additional ingredients encompassed in Oriental 9, which makes the overall fragrance composition more complex with many diverse layers of scent. Some examples of additional ingredients are kupu-aku, lavender, and amber. Kupu-aku is a tropical rainforest tree related to the tree that produces cacao. The smell varies between an interesting combination of chocolates and pineapples. Enriched with antioxidants, this plant extract is a powerful moisturizing agent for your skin, improving its elasticity and firmness, creating a smoother and youthful-looking skin. Warm, powdery, sweet, and woody, amber is a fantasy note in perfumery that consists of labdanum, vanilla, benzoin, patchouli, and possibly more. The inclusion of amber is added to alleviate the sweetness and warmth in fragrances. Amber essential oil takes care of both our mental and physical well-being. Not only is it beneficial in treating anxiety and depression while helping us relax and enable better focus for the brain, it can also temporarily relieve pain when applied topically. This is the perfect fragrance for the woman who likes her scent to be striking and formidable, but still maintain its elegance and femininity.